specific about the Tevo Michelangelo, a small amount. The Titan extruder, most of the Tevo printers comes with a Titan extruder now. We did have to calibrate the steps per millimeter on the extruder because we were noticing a bit of over extrusion. We will give you the steps per millimeter that you can add to your printer. Maybe they'll work with your printer, maybe they won't. All printers are different even though it's the same model. So now on to the printing bed. It's a non-heated bed. We couldn't manage to get the prints to stick to the bed, just on the bed alone without painter's tape, glue. So we started using painter's tape. This is good, but you really don't want to squish your layers into it or it's a bit annoying getting the print off. You have to keep changing the painter's tape and everything. So we raised it up a bit to make it still stick to remove the model easier. But now we're on to glue stick. Glue stick still sticks pretty hard, but no need to change the painter's tape all the time. Now on to the bed screws. The bed screws are a bit awkward to get into because everything's pretty close. But once you level the bed, everything tight, it shouldn't really move. It should be leveled and it's good to go. It does come with baby stepping. I know baby stepping isn't really needed for a small printer, but ultimately it does help when you want to adjust the layer. But the baby stepping default on this machine, the adjustments is pretty high. It does need to be lowered a bit so you can do fine adjustments. This printer is great to put like a GoPro on, action cam of any of your liking, because there's a space right here that you can mount the bracket and put the GoPro camera on, and the print bed never gets in the way. Now let's talk about some of the prints. Our first print. There is over extrusion on most of these models apart from two. The last two models was we calibrated the extruder, so there's hardly any over extrusion now. Model print is great apart from over extrusion. We have this butterfly that has hinges. These are all printed in place, and as you can see, they all move freely. We didn't have to bend any of them to This is, I think it was 3 models we printed good with our over extrusion fixed. Benchy printed good. As you can see, there's a lot less over extrusion. There is stringing, but we glow in the dark filament, charge it up in a glow, really bright glow. Now, this was our big print. This was roughly 12 hours, 11 hours. Print yourself. The steps per millimeter we used for the extruder, and of course our simplified S3D profile. Thanks again, and as always, like, share, comment on our videos. It really does help.